can't believe I traveled all the way to Japan for one video. Keys here, we're driving 365 cars in 365 days. Car number 19 is the Honda Acty K-Truck. But how do you get inside? You walk around and get in the door. When your steering wheel is worth as much as the car? The turn signal is on this side. But how long does it take to get adjusted? Now, let's see if I can get this going. Come on. There we go. Cool. What in the world? Oh, the turning radius is pretty good. This is ridiculous! Yeah! There's like nowhere to put your foot. Ooh. Comfort mid, cool a lot. Transmission weird. Right hand drive bonus point. Overall, 5.4.